Hindi ko kay Denny.
Dead center. Sitting next to me. Dead center.
Nano Babo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po na? Ako po Louis Season.
Marco Nanan, ning we're in Pampanga.
Guys, ngayon po nga doon ni may invite kami kay ning Sindalan, City of San Fernando pa. Baka ta po pakilala po ining store ay ni. Ano mong kalating tindahan na oning dakalyasa sa upan na tao.
Yes.
Makana niya makasa magtindaya pong murang kay sapatos.
Actually, kung di kitang tipong tao na ala pang budget for mahal na sapatos, you could try this one.
Wow. Lalong-lalo na guys, mamas ko na.
Yeah.
So, either pag regalo mo or personal mo, regalo mo yung sarili mo mga yan. Masanting po na, bisita niya mo rin ini. Yan pong actually ring items na. If you have any questions regarding item availability mga yan, leave them at the comment section. We'll try to answer them.
So, tara, let's go!
Ring items dagyan ni ranging from ating mo naman apparels, ating mo naman bag na kalupad na rin and of course, shoes. And for this one, ni guys, balo ko kay ni Kyrie. So this is a Kyrie SpongeBob edition. Napansin niyo 'yan, Nickelodeon, ayan no. So let's talk about brands naman na available kay ni. So as far as I can recognize them, so ating tamong Nike, ating tamong Skechers, atin mo naman Adidas, New Balance, ito atin mo naman palang Vans, atin mo naman palang Sperry, lanyan rin.
Okay, 133.57.
Just to give you an idea na laretang items da kaya ni Lawin niya yung biro lang ni. So yung usual price da ni guys na from 499 pesos ating 700 pesos atin mo naman OEM products ranging from 1,000 to 2,000 mga kanyan eh.
Menyubok tapa. Ako dalog mo.
Nalalagyan yan, non-Jordan na rin.
Jordan 8, Jordan 3. Jordan 3. Okay. Yun. Bagay na.
Ang mobile app tamo guys, i-encourage nila rin bawat establishment, bawat tindahan na mag-list la po kitang katamong mobile app for free. Meaning, gana-gana nung ating kamalating tindahan, ating kang maragula tindahan, encourage nila po na enlist miya po. And itamin, sabi ko kayo, classic example ya pa ini. Guys, dako salamat po kayong pamanalbe. Just to set expectations. So, aliwala po rin retang original shoes. Then po retang Vietnam made, sabi dapin. Tilang mo naman OEM, which are really close to the original ones. So, just to set your expectations, deta po rin titindada kay ni Ryu Footwear. So, itadakala salamat po kayong pamanalbe. Thank you kaming vlog ngayon ng ini until our next discovery.
Peace out.
Wow, na super generous yung kaya katamong
Owner.
kayong establishment ay na. If you like and share this video, we're just gonna give the exact details kayong kaya katamong caption. They're gonna give away 5 pairs of shoes.
Wow. So, titapong 5 audience na manyambot na tignametong sapatos.
Good luck!